Hello, this is a video from manufacturer number PC-650 by Stack-On. This is a portable case with an electronic lock. I've already taken everything out of the box here for you, so I'm going to go ahead and take this and move the box to the side. Here you have your portable case instructions. Comes with 2 keys to open. Before you have your combination set, you use the key like so, turn it, pops right open. And inside here we have 4 AAA batteries that come along with it. Your steel cable. The batteries would go in the motor compartment here. You would remove the nuts and it sits right inside here. Your reset button, the little red piece right inside here, is where you would reset everything to be able to put in your new combination. Your combination buttons are right here. There's 3. Go ahead and open this back up again so you can get another look. And again, this is a portable case with an electronic lock by Stack-On.